Hello my friends, this is last video in this year 2022. So happy new year. And this video, actually this is mostly for new users because I received one more question: how to calculate Gann annual cycle based on pattern 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 60 years and 90 years. And also I will show you how to draw ideal square using precise charting model. Once again, this is mostly for new users. Gann pattern. As I understand, to calculate annual cycle, we use this year. We are looking for similarities with next year and year 10 years ago, 2013, 20 years ago, 2003, and so on till 90 years ago, 1933. Okay, let's do this. I will download now Dow Jones. You can download Dow Jones directly from the Timing Solution data feed. Click this button, globe. Once again, this is for new users, so I will explain many things, just well-known things. Just click this button, and here's Timing Solution data feed by default. Indexes, Dow Jones, click download data. Wait a bit. Okay, it's downloaded from internet. Click OK. The program processes this data, and now you will set the exchange location. You see, now you need to set exchange location. Simply click this button and set exchange location, New York. By the way, if you plan to use the same exchange location for further research, you can set this exchange location by default, clicking this button. And next time when you will download some price history, this exchange location will be there. Okay, so done. Click calculate button, and now we will display the latest price history. Just do it, press right mouse button, and drag mouse cursor. Release it, so we'll get this. Or I often use this feature. Click this button, last price history, and you see it will set the last price history, maybe display it more. Okay, I will show you firstly how to draw ideal square with precise charting model. Here it is, precise charting, here it is. And now you see, if you want to display a rectangle square like this, rectangle, and just get ideal square, you need to adjust precise anchors to get. You can do it this way. You see, set here, just a sec, set here after angle 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay, you see 45 degrees is here. And now, while you move the mouse cursor, the program automatically adjusts anchor to get this angle 45 degrees. If this angle 45 degrees, this is accordingly we get ideal square. Another story, if you want to go display free square, like free rectangle like this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, first, second, and so on. You need to draw a rectangle free ideal square like this. Free ideal square. You can do it this way. I will remove all this charting tool, clicking this button, and now do this. Firstly, I will set, of course, I need to set it free. We do not need after angle now. And now draw line. Simply draw line. Let's draw this rectangle, let's say from this point to this point, something like this. Okay, do it this way. Draw line from let's be this point to this point. Okay, this point, or maybe another way. I believe it's better displayed another side. From this point to this point. Okay. And now you see there is option here, display race. You see, raise. So once again, you better display this line as arrow, or as a simple line. Okay. And now you will display additional angle, ray to this arrow, 90 degrees. You can display as many as you want. For example, if you want to display 120 degrees, yeah, one more angle, whatever. And now you see you can draw free angles using this point, and this point. You see, this way we will get ideal square. Do it this way. Just click this button, free rectangle, and now click here. You see the program automatically adjusts and this anchor with this ray. Click here and click here. So as you see, ideal square is ready. Next question about Gann angles. Gann, yes. Do it this way. Run astronomy model, and you see by default, let's display this projection line together with price chart, and in separate panel together with price chart. Okay. And now, by default, to calculate this annual cycle, the program uses all available price history for down. But we want to use only specific dates or only specific years. Do it this way. Use filters. Click active zones, and there is special button here, filter. Click this button, and now you will get ULE editor, where you can specify any event in time. Just click calendar, and in calendar you see there are many tabs here. Just choose this special year, and here you can set the years, special years. The annual cycle will be adjusted according to these years. We'll set only 1 year, 1933. In other words, the program will conduct cyclical analysis for only 1 year, 1933. In other words, we will get 1933 years prolonged into future. I will show you how it works. You see, I will highlight this year, 1933. Yeah. And you see, start 1933, this projection line simply follows price. Sometimes not ideal because this is cyclical analysis, but generally it follows. You see? And now it's already next year, 1934. It's not working. So now I will set other years filters, and let's 1963. 1993, 2003, 2013. Done. And you see what we'll get. We'll get a projection line. Based on Gann cycles. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 60 years, 90 years. Now just some small things what we can do. Sorry, okay, you can change the colors for this line. Okay, let's be very bold. You see, and now you want if you want to save this work, you can click this button, and let's do my work with TS. I will save my work into file. I will add updating. We will do updating from time in solution data feed. It's already there. So when you download the price history, the program automatically will update the price history to adding the latest available price history and my work with ID. And so click save. So the program saves this work, and look at this, next day or next week or next month, I run timing solution again, and I will click this button, and I will get my file. Where is it? Somewhere here. Timing solution data feed. Timing solution. Here it is. My work with TS. I will click it. I will get exactly the same. Program will update the price history for using latest available, and you will get so. I hope it's clear now. My friends, Happy New Year!